What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's enjoying their week. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you all. My name is Black Appeal the Apple Guy, and my channel specializes in tech tutorials, unboxings, and reviews. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Lume Cubes' newest panel. This is the Panel Mini. So if this is your first time on my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification, and smashing that like button, as these likes will help me create better content for my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the Panel Mini from Lume Cube. So if you're not familiar with Lume Cube, they specialize, and I wouldn't say specialize, but they make portable lighting systems for people who need portable lighting on the go. I actually have another one from them. It's known as the Lume Cube Air, which is a small portable LED light, which surprisingly, this actually replaces that. So I bought that, I believe, 2-3 months ago, only to find out that they actually were replacing it with this. And this is a 60 LED bi-colored LED light. So basically what this does is it allows you to adjust your lighting and depending on what you're using it for in certain video or photography situations. It's small, it's portable, and it comes from what I've seen, comes with a DSLR cold shoot, so you can actually mount it onto your DSLR if you need it in certain areas where you need more lighting than what's being offered. It's actually pretty cool. I've seen a lot of videos on this, and I ordered this about a week ago, so I haven't really had a chance to actually get into it, but we're going to get into the unboxing of this now. Now, before we get into the unboxing, just thought I would read off some of the features that this has on the box. You'll notice it'll say it's the full spectrum bi-colored LED light. It has adjustable temperature. Basically, that means you can get from a kind of warm, earthy tone to a more natural color. That's what the 32K to 56 Kelvin adjustable temperature means. It has 60 LED bi-colored LEDs. They're fully adjustable and has an intelligent LCD display screen. So it's supposedly supposed to be the size of a credit card. I don't know, because I haven't been able to actually have one in my hands up until today. I actually ordered this about a week ago, and it just came in the mail 2 days ago. So we're just going to jump into the unboxing and see what we get with this. So right off the bat, we're just going to jump right into the, so this is the LED itself. I don't know if I would say it was the size of a credit card. Let's find out. So we're just going to simply use this. So it's just a simple O'Reilly's rewards card, LED light. Yeah, it's about the size. Honestly, when you first grab it, it does look a little bit bigger, but yeah, I could see it being the size of a credit card. So let's take a look at the back. So that is the LCD paneling. So I'm guessing that's going to be the on and off. This is how you would select the brightness of your the LEDs, as well as how warm or how neutral you want the lights to look. And that's just a simple plug-in to charge it. Obviously, it's going to be USB-C. So we're just going to pick a look and see what else is in here, and then we'll try out the light. So again, you do get a the USB-C plug to charge it. And, oh, cool. You get a hot shoot mount for your light that you can mount onto your camera or to a tripod. So that's one thing I love about most companies, is that they will include a hot shoot so that you can easily mount your light to the hot shoot of your camera, or you can affix it to a tripod and do it that way. So that's pretty cool. So, and you get a pretty cool diffuser. Pretty standard, nothing new. So we're going to turn it on. Let's assuming that there's actually any battery life to this, and see what it looks like. So right off the bat, that's pretty bright, I'm not going to lie. So we're going to try out the light here on this same credit card. So right now it's going to be displaying, if you can see it, which you probably won't be able to. This is your LCD screen. So it's going to show you your battery life. Obviously 8 hours and 6 minutes. It's almost fully charged, which is interesting. That's the brightness. Right now it's at 1%, and the color temperature is at 32K. So we're going to change and see what happens if we change the brightness and go to, say, 50%. So obviously pushing down, nothing happens. So if you swipe up, 10%, 4 hours, 15%, 2.9. So we're going to do that 50 and see what we get. That's at 50% power. That gives me about an hour and a half worth of LED light. So if we were to go all the way up to 100, it looks like it's going to give me about 42, 41 minutes worth of battery life if I were to use this straight out the box as it sits right now. But we're not going to, so we're going to actually just put this back down to the 1%, at least until I recharge it and then give it a full battery charge. And then I'm assuming this is just the select button again. So that selects your color temperature. So as I said before, we're going to kind of experiment on the card here. So this is at 32 kelvins. Swiping up, I'm at 40. Obviously, there's not much of a change. But as you get into 56, notice how the light changes. It's more of a bright white. And if I go back down to 32 again, notice how it brings it to a kind of more earthly tone. And obviously, if you wanted to tone that out, simply just sliding on the diffuser. Actually making sure you actually have it on the right way. So this is designed to diffuse the lights depending on how much light you want and what your current lighting situation is. So right now I have the diffuser on and I'm at 32 Kelvin. So let's raise it up to 56. So we're going to go all the way to the top end. That's at 56. Notice how it's a little bit easier to look at. It's a lot more simpler. It's a lot more brighter. And then as I bring it down to say like maybe 40, 47, notice how the light tends to get a little more earth tone look. So right now I'm at 35 and I'm now at the base at 32 Kelvin. So that's actually pretty cool. I love the diffuser. It actually makes it a little bit more easier. And when you're doing your vlogs, it gives you can actually equalize it, kind of more tone it with your skin tone. Or if you were out and about and you just want to have a little light, more softer light when you're doing your videos, the diffuser definitely comes in handy. So we're going to turn that off. And this aside, see what else. It's really light. There's your 60 LED lights in there. It's also frosted itself, so it's not really exposed. On most lights, most LED lights, you don't really get that paneling. It's just all exposed LED lights. So kind of like it's kind of like it's frosted, but it's like a built-in diffuser on top of a diffuser, so it kind of enhances it. That's actually kind of cool. You also get these threads on each side, so basically depending on how you want to mount your light to your camera, you can either do it from the top, you just simply screw on, and that's how that works. Or if you wanted to do it another way, you can do it from the bottom, and then this obviously the traditional way, and then you would just simply slide this onto the hot shot or hot shoot of your camera. And don't forget, you can also use this as an extra light on a tripod. You just simply have to have a type of mechanism that you can put on this and then slide it into the hot shoot or on the whatever you're using for your extra tripod light, which I actually have some stuff on that I would be probably using this for a lot more than on my camera. Although I do love the fact that I can have the option of doing it with my camera, so that's pretty cool. Most of the stuff that I do is usually just in my room, so this really acts as a pretty cool backlight for all my videos. Now, typically, if you have a much larger room, you can obviously have better lighting, but since my room is small, and I'll actually do a YouTube video on my YouTube setup in my room and how I do my videos, but I have a small room, lights like this and my other Lume Cube that I have, the Lume Cube Air, those will work just perfectly because it's just the right amount of brightness where it's not over bright and doesn't overpower my room. But I can also use this and take this with me when I go on vacations, as well as if I do any type of nighttime vloggings, which I usually never do, but who never knows. So that is pretty much it for this unboxing. So you get the light, you get a diffuser, you get it's charged via USB-C cord, and you get you do get a hot shoot mount for the light itself. So, and that is everything here. You get the light, you get the diffuser, you get the hot shoot mount, and you get the USB-C charging cord. All of that pops in on this. Pretty affordable. I'll have a link in the description for this if you want to take a look at it, as well as the Lume Cube website. They do have a lot of pretty good light stuff for those who are looking for portable lighting. And that is it. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, that way you don't miss content when I drop it. And if you love this video, please hit a thumbs up, as again, this helps with me creating my content. And I want to thank everybody for watching, and my name is Black Apino the Apple Guy, and have a great week.